Welcome to Drawsh Studio. Today we're going to make a miniature sketchbook together and talk about a great exercise to do in it. Let's get started. We'll start by making the sketchbook. You can use any size paper, but a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet works perfect. Start by folding it in half both ways, making sure your creases are well aligned and sharp. With it folded in half on the long axis, fold each side towards the middle. The better your folds line up, the better your book will be. Now unfold all of it, and you should have 8 long rectangles on the page. Next, we're going to cut through the center section, making sure to leave the paper attached on the 2 outer rectangles. But be careful not to cut yourself. Now open the middle and pinch the folds together into a star shape. And then simply fold one side over. Now you have an awesome 8-page miniature sketchbook. This is small enough to stick in your pocket, so now you can draw anytime, anywhere. Here's a great exercise you can do in your mini sketchbook. Do a small drawing every day for a week. Pick a different object each day, and make sure it's something you can physically see in front of you, not from a photograph. I'm going to draw this little monkey skull. Start by doing a simple underdrawing gesture sketch. Try to simplify the object into very basic lines and shapes. Start very general, like you're building it from the ground up. And then place more specific parts of the object. This is your first pass at observing the object and helps give your drawing a little structure. Then take some time to observe the surface of the object, carefully recording the details you see. Spend around 10 minutes per page and try to record all the subtleties of the complex shapes. Be as specific as you can and draw the inner and outer details. This is sort of like meditation, and it can shift your mind into a calm and receptive mode. Being intensely focused on the object will also greatly improve your observation skills, especially if you do this once a day. This is a great exercise to do with young people interested in drawing because it will help them learn to focus and get them engaged with the world around them. Do it with friends and family and share your drawings to help keep it part of your daily practice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go to drawsh.com for more information on these topics and many more. If you want to see more videos like this, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.